lucky that I'm out in nature today to practice Qigong. And Qigong is a really great exercise because it helps us generate energy. A lot of forms of movement are wonderful, but they make us more tired when we're done. But Qigong, because we move very slowly and we focus on the breath, we build up our energy. And the best way to also build up our energy is to practice it in nature. So I'm going to start with very simple, my feet in my horse stance, my body relaxed, my gaze open on the horizon. I'm just going to start focusing on my breath, breathing in and out through the nose. About a 4-second inhale and a 4-second exhale. Once I begin to settle into my breath, I'm going to add a little movement of lifting my hands up as I inhale and drawing my hands down my midline as I exhale. As I inhale, I slightly lift through my joints, my knees, my hips, and as I exhale, I slightly bend. Clear my mind, listening to the wind, feeling the sun. Take a few breaths now and raise my hands all the way up over my head. And exhale, drawing my hands down my body. Like an energetic cleansing, clearing my body as I pass my hands over my body. Inhaling on the up, exhaling down. One more time. Now let's take our arms very straight. Flex your wrists. Press your arms back a bit. Pull your belly in. Pull your shoulder blades together and breathe deep. Close your eyes and feel your body from the inside. Really deep breath in, and as you exhale, relax your body a bit. Shake it out. Now we're going to do a second exercise where we'll increase the speed of our breath a little bit, and we're going to really focus on pulling the energy in from the earth. So again, sinking a bit into your knees. We'll start by inhaling up and exhaling down to begin. Let's do that 3 times. Draw energy in from the earth. So inhale just up to your belly button and exhale out at a 45-degree angle. Inhale back, exhale, and we'll go a little faster. In, ex. Imagine you're pulling the energy in from the earth. One more time. Inhale and exhale all the way down. Inhale up to the heart. Slower now, exhale down. Up. Exhale down. Now we'll do the same thing with the heart. Inhale up, exhale straight out, and in, faster. In, ex. Pull it into your heart, push it out. One more time, and down to the earth. Slow it down and catch. Slow it down. This makes you feel lightheaded. Just stick with the slower breaths. Just going to do one more time. This time we're going to bring the hands up to about your crown. And it's nice for me because I have the sun. We're going to press up 45-degree angle and back down. In, ex. Relax your shoulders. 2 more. All the way down. Let's take a cleansing breath up. Down. Up. Down. Last time. Inhale up. Down. And then just relax your arms. Shake a little bit. Keep your body really soft. And just let the breath be calm. Close your eyes. Notice how you feel. If you do feel a little bit lightheaded, keep your eyes open though so you don't get dizzy. Just appreciate this feeling in your body from your moving meditation. Let's bring our hands together at the end to thank all the teachers who brought us this wisdom, especially our great teacher, Nature. Thank you, Nature.